You found my video about connecting a wire. The way I'm going to illustrate now is how to splice a wire. And I use that term, splice a wire. One thing this does, it prevents you from accidentally cutting the wire or doing a bad job. And if you don't have a set of crimpers and you don't have a set of strippers, at least the way I'm going to show you will get you through your DIY job. Now, of course, you can solder these connections, you can use crimps, you can do whatever you like. I'm just trying to show you a way so you're not just cutting the wires and trying to connect them together. By stripping back the insulation the way I'm going to demonstrate it and then poking a hole and doing it, it's a good strong connection. And like I said, now if I go into this case, the wires lay flat. So you just give me 1 second, I'm going to pause the video. You take your wire, you're going to, and this is your car, okay? So very similar to this, okay? So this is what you have in your car, a Mayo plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm using this stripper and it shows your wire gauges, 20, 18, 16, and all that, okay? So what I do is I go through and I'm just breaking the case. Okay, you see what I did there? Then I take this, I just go slightly, nice and easy. I'm just going to cut off this. I go this way. There. And what it does is it exposes the wires, okay? Just like this. I'm going to give it a little bit of a spin, collect those things up, okay? Take a pokey tool. In this case, I use this one, an all test slide or whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and create a hole. Just like this. Just like that. You say, well, I might have lost. I like this better because I'm not cutting the wire. So let me illustrate something with this. So if I go here and I wrap this wire around, which a lot of people will do. Okay, look, watch how easy this is. Okay, came undone. I'm going to take this one, like I said, and pokey a hole in it. All right, just like that. You can see it. Now I take the same wire and I stick it through. Now I wrap it. Now look. So I'm using just black tape. But I want to tape up to here and up to here, because this way the tape is going to hold this wire as well. So what I do is I go around here and then I give it a slight pull. See how the tape now is going around it. And see now, the wire is good and stuck. And this is what we ended up with, okay? So this would be my factory harness. And you'll see, so since I spliced it all the way I did, it can lay flat. These two wires go to the factory ground because my harness doesn't have a ground in this case. And this goes out to the amplifier, and then it goes out to the high-level adapter. But the beautiful thing about this is if it's behind the radio, now if I go to change the head unit, my RCAs and my turn leader are all there. You can expand off it. So I like this style because I didn't cut any of the wires. Nothing can break. I'm not saying there's way more professional ways. There are better ways, but this will get you to at least the 1 yard line to get your install done, and maybe explore some better ones and maybe buy a soldering iron or buy some crimps, okay? I hope this helped you, and I hope it solves the problem, and I hope it shows you how to make your connections for your high-level adapter, or if you're looking at this video for something else, for making an electrical connection, I hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe and share to anyone that you might think might like this.